Production process of hex bolts. Today we are going to show you the complete manufacturing process of hex bolts. Cut the rod into pieces slightly longer than the bolt length. The extra will become the bolt head. Typically hex bolts are manufactured using stainless steel. However, other materials are also used to make hex bolts. A hex head is hot forged onto one end of the rod. An induction heating coil heats the end of the rod at high heat temperature and transfers them to press forging before the heat goes down. Contact us to get your quote today. High-speed cutting blades apply chamfering to the end of the bolts before threading. This bevel end will help facilitate easy assembly of the nut. Threads are formed by cutting oil and strong rollers. Please like and subscribe for more Fasteners content. Thanks for watching.